Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 4, Lesson 9. Our learning goal for today says, I can model decomposing 8 using a story, arrays, and number bonds. Oh my goodness, there are some big words in that learning goal. Like the word decomposing. The funniest thing is we've been decomposing numbers this whole time, we just haven't been saying it so fancy. Decomposing means just to break apart. So when it says I can model, that means show, I can model breaking apart 8, or I can model decomposing 8. How fancy. The word array is a really great word because it means an organized picture. So in math, we know being organized is really helpful. It helps keep all of our good thinking straight. So today when we're breaking apart 8, or decomposing 8, we want to try to use an array to help us stay organized. Let me show you. I'm going to dump out some crackers on this table. All right, friends, so how many crackers do you see there? Yeah, go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 crackers. And do you see my beautiful array? Yeah, they're in a nice straight line. If they were all jumbled all together or all zigzag across the page, it'd be really hard to see them all. So using an array helps to keep me organized. Now, I, of course, am going to eat these crackers because they look so delicious. But I know that my friend Susie is coming over, so I probably should save some for her, right? Yeah, that'd be the nice thing to do. Okay, so I don't really want to mess up my array, so I'm just going to draw a line to show the two different parts, Susie's part and my part. So there we go. All right, all the crackers on this side of the line, Susie can have. And all the crackers on this side of the line, I get to eat. Friends, can you tell who gets more crackers? Me or Susie? Yeah, I do. How many crackers do I get to eat? Yes, I get to eat 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yummy. And how many does Susie get? Yeah, she gets 3. 1, 2, 3. That's not that many, but like it's a good amount, right? Hey, I have an idea. Since we broke apart this 8, why don't we put it into a number bond? That sounds like a plan. We love number bonds. All right, so our whole amount would be what? Yeah, the crackers we started with. How many crackers do we have all together? Perfect, 8. Now, when I broke it apart or decomposed it, I just drew my line to show the differences. So let's start with Susie's part. How many crackers are in Susie's part? Yes, excellent, friends. 3. And how many crackers are in my part? Perfecto, 5. Hey, look it. We just used an array to help us break apart, decompose 8. We did fantastic. Let's try another one, okay? All right. For this one, I want you to go ahead and get your dry erase board and a marker because I'm going to have you record what we decompose into a number bond, okay? All right, press pause when you get those materials and then press play when you're ready. Okay, friend, do you have your dry erase board? Oh, excellent. All right, so here we go. First, we're going to start out with how many we had all together. So let's go ahead and draw a number bond. On your dry erase board, go ahead and draw a number bond and fill in the whole amount. Remember, you can always press pause if I'm going too fast so that you can fill in your good work, and then press play when you're ready. Okay, did you fill in all the crackers that we have into the whole amount? Hey, we're starting with 8 again. Excellent. All right, now let's see. My little sister's going to come over, Candace. She wants to share some crackers too, but I'm not feeling super generous, I have to say, with Candace because she likes to take all my food. So, there we go. Oh, I'm such a stinker. Look at how many crackers Candace gets. Oh man, look how many I get. Yummy, yummy, yummy. All right, I'm not even going to count them and let you do that good work. Can you look at Candace's part and fill that into the number bond? And then look at my part and fill that into the number bond? Press pause while you figure that out and then press play to check yourself. Okay, friends, I was not super duper generous with Candace. She's not going to be very excited. But how many crackers does she get? 1. Oh man, I'm such a stinker. All right, and then how many crackers do I get? 7. Yes, I get 7 crackers. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I'm so excited. Now, is that very nice of me? Probably not. I should probably rethink my ways. But how did you do with your number bond? Did you show 8 and then 1 is being a part and then 7 being the other part? You did. Excellent job. We use the array to help us decompose 8, and then you put it into a number bond. Man, we are rocking our learning goal. Let's try one more. Go ahead and erase your board, friend. Okay, this time I'm feeling a little wild. I have 8 crackers, but what do you notice about my array? Yeah, it's a little different. How did I change it? Yes, exactly. I put my crackers into 2 rows. Do you think this is still an array? You're right, it is an array because it's so organized. Do you see how I kept the lines nice and straight and then I stacked them on top of one another? Ugh, I love arrays and their organization. All right, let's go ahead. We are going to fill in the amount of the whole amount that we see into our number bond. If you haven't already, go ahead and draw a blank number bond on your board and then fill in the whole amount once you figured it out. All right, you filled in your whole amount? Was it 8? Good job. Yeah, I changed my array around, but I didn't change the amount that I started with. Excellent. All right, let's see if I can do a nicer job of breaking apart this group of 8. Okay, so I can share and be a little bit more generous. So, I have an idea. I'm going to break it apart like that. Now, everything on this side is one part, and everything on that side is another part. I bet my sister would be a lot more excited to share the crackers this way. If this was Candace's side, how many crackers would she get? Go ahead and put that part into your number bond, friend. Yes, friend, she'd get 4. Very nice. And then if this was my part, what would my part be? Oh, sorry, it's my dog. She would get 4 as well. Hey, my 2 parts are the same number. Is that okay? Yeah, you're right. It is okay. Sometimes the parts are the same amount, and that's okay if that's how you broke apart the number. Well, you are doing fantastic, I have to say. Let's try exactly one more. All right, so this time I did my array in a totally different way again. I want you to go ahead and fill in the whole amount into that number bond. Okay, did you fill it in? If not, press pause. Okay, so I started with 8 crackers. 8 again? Is that what you put your number bond? Fantastic, friend. All right, now I'm going to break it apart like, that. All right, I'm not going to help you, but this is one part and this is another part. Can you go ahead and fill the 2 parts into your number bond and then press play to check yourself? Okay, friend. If this was our first part, how many would be in our number bond? Yes, 2. 1, 2. And if this was the other part, how many would be over here in our other part in the number bond? Great, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know what? That array was really helpful. Why was the array so helpful when we were figuring out our whole amount in parts? Yes, because it was organized. And it's so easy and quick to see how many pieces are where when it's organized. Man, I love a good array. All right, and that's good because today our learning goal said, I can model decomposing 8 using a story, arrays, and number bonds. And hey, friends, that's exactly what we've been doing today. I'm so excited. All right, now it's your turn. Here is a number bond. And you can see I've already figured out the parts. Can you go ahead and draw an array of the number 8, which is the whole amount, and then break it apart using a line just like I did in the video so that one part is 3 and the other part is 5. Okay, so you're going to make an array of 8 and then break it apart, decompose it into 3 and 5 as the parts. Send that to me on Seesaw. I cannot wait to see it. Good luck.